So you're doing business with Shopify, have your Shopify store, and you want to add users to it to give them access so that they can help with whether it's order fulfillment or whatever it is, right? How do you add users to your Shopify store? All you have to do once you're inside your account, click on the settings gear in the lower left hand side, and you will see a bunch of options available to you on the left. Click on users right on the billing, and here you will find the current user. So as you can see, I'm the store owner right here. And if I want to add a user, it's obvious. We click on add user right here, and we want to go ahead and of course, upgrade, right? So keep in mind that if I have the basic account, I'm not able to do it. So I need to upgrade the plans. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you the plans that will allow you to add users to your account, because the basic plan doesn't allow you to do that. But obviously, if you have the more upgraded account or the more upgraded plan, you can easily add users. And from there, you just need to go ahead and, enter their email address and all of different stuff, assign the role and so forth, right? You can always manage their status. But that's how you can easily do it. So from here, you also have the option to edit it, and you can click the drop down and you can basically delete users. You can do all of those good stuff. You can remove them, you can suspend them and reactivate them if it's necessary, right? So in order to add them, I'm going to go ahead and show you the plans that will allow you to add users. So if this is something that you want to do, let me share with you the plans that allow you to actually do that. So now that we're here under the plan section, you will see the options, right? So which plans allow you to do it? So the basic plan is for solo entrepreneur only. So if you just want to have a one account, you want to do it all by yourself, while the Grow allows for a small team with 5 members. As you can see right here, it mentions a staff of 5 accounts. So it simply means that you can give access to, let's say, 4 more members or 5 accounts in total right there with this plan, right? So the advanced give you a bit more, 15 accounts you can add there, while the plus allow you to really do unlimited. So you can add as much users or accounts to the plus account when as you wish. And as you can see, it makes sense. $2,300 you'll pay per month. But that's all there is to it, guys. That's how you'll go ahead and add users to your Shopify store. Now you know how you can do it, and now you know that the basic plan doesn't allow you to do it, but you need to upgrade to the Grow, and that allows you 5 members, right? And so forth and so forth. But that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.